No, that treasury bills you are talking of is, they are bills sent to the treasury. These are cash raised by the government through the government.
It's like a bond basically.
What you are doing is the submission of a bill for payment. This is like a bond. This is a borrowing by the government.
Borrowing by the
No, I'll repeat. The treasury bill she is talking of is a bill sent to the treasury for passing and paying.
like
That's an
bank,
accounting
government
procedure.
treasury. That is government treasury.
Government.
And this is bank, RBI.
No,
Sir,
it is also government treasury.
that is a worker which is doing for.
This is an instrument which is issued by the government as a borrowing. आपका हाउसिंग लोन जैसा होगा सर?
It's like a capital receipt for the government.
Yeah, it's like a capital receipt.
Like at times we have the government money as drawing and disbursing officer. I have in my account, accounts and sum of money.
Absolutely.
Can that also be invested here?
No.
No, cannot.
That is government money.
You cannot.
Because I
There are
know
two
that
of them
money will
people.
keep lying in my bank
No,
account.
I
You're going to
know
face it.
what reasons are you. आप बताइए आप कितना डीप जाना चाहोगे आप बताइए. You said
Government money cannot. You cannot invest
you
government money like that.
the disbursement account that you have is funded from the consolidated account.
Yes, consolidated.
The Reserve Bank says you can disburse up to this amount. Actually, you don't. I don't think the money is kept in the account. Is the money kept in the account these days?
Sir, he means the one for interest and regular payments.
No.
That he means.
No, there are different types.
There are different types. Some money is lying also.
Actually, first we have fund.
You cannot because it is part of the account. So what you have would be with the public sector bank and that is for you to utilize and you cannot invest in this because you are going back to the parent and saying suit this.
But sir, autonomous
ये तो बनिया स्क्वायर्ड हो जाएगा वो चलेगा.
But sir, autonomous organization.
Sir, that is for
Meaning
regular
we have some autonomous organization and we are giving some funding. Just a minute. We are giving fund in crores rupees and they are in obviously in cash. They can put it at least.
Yeah. The question he asked was a disbursement.
Yeah, he have a government, but I am also asking about autonomous organization.
What he is saying is autonomous bodies, public sector undertakings, these are separate accounting units, they can. For example, Power Finance Corporation is a public sector undertaking. Power Finance Corporation can invest in treasury bills. यही तो पंगा हुआ था बहुत साल पहले. Power Ministry said, it's a grant और पैसा ट्रेजरी बिल में डालते हो. So this is not allowed. तो तुम्हारा जो surplus है, you give it back to us. And Power Finance Corporation said, हम आपको पैसे देंगे तो आप कुछ हमको सूद दे देना. So they fixed 10% as it was called PD, some deposit. Why PD I don't know. D was for deposit. So 10% became their minimum. अगर 10% के ऊपर मैं लेता था तो हमको दे देते थे. 10% से नीचे है तो वहाँ देते थे. And 10% in those days, plus 5 या 6. Anyway, in those days, that was a very, very low thing. But when the market, it's called call money market, short-term borrowings by bank, when it became 1%, then he was very happy. He said everything goes to power. Then the power ministry woke up saying that it's a static fact. And if I am getting, if I am paying so much and the market is low, then they got into another this thing saying that it should be.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
I belong to a state PSU.
Yes.
And usually we have crores of rupees.
Yes, sir.
We are keeping in current account of different banks.
Yes, sir.
With certain
You must be a very popular guy with all the bank managers.
Yes.
I'm sure the chairman of the bank will come and meet you.
Yes, it happens.
Yeah.
So, what you feel, we can also deposit in treasury.
Yes, sir.
And with certain interest.
Yes.
So, any PSU, bank, any company can deposit money with.
Yeah. We use the word any company, any organization except departments of Government of India can buy treasury bills. This is buying itself. There is a procedure for that. बाद में बता दूँ. Because it's technical procedure. नहीं, बाद में in the sense it's a technical procedure you have to go there. But before you go, let me warn you, you need to have your approval from your
board of directors.
board of directors, etc. अगर सरकार की चाहिए वो भी चाहिए. You have to put it in this thing because I have sold treasury bills to ONGC. I have sold treasury bills to Power Finance Corporation. There are a lot of DP guidelines जानते हैं ना? DPE guidelines, Department of Public Enterprise. आपके state government है. Central government में there is a department called Department of Public Enterprises. They have brought out guidelines how it should be given. Because you, I am a good friend of yours. My son is in State Bank of India. मैं बोलता हूँ यार तुम्हारा 100 करोड़ जो है स्टेट बैंक में, तो आप कर सकते हैं. मैं बोलेगा कोई बात नहीं, आपको लंदन घुमा के आएंगे. So to avoid all this, DP guidelines are there. They are very, very detailed. पैसा बना? If the yield on treasury bills is higher,
Will it be always have FD it will be higher than FD interest.
About the departments of government, there are two kinds of accounts. One is the government account, we have clarified it cannot be done. What about the private fund accounts? Like we have a PCO fund account, we have a education fund account, where employees they contribute, the money is collected.
but having said this, ये इतना आसान नहीं है. इसलिए तो बोल रहा था उनको कि there is a procedure to be followed. See, if you have a corpus of say 100 crores or 50 crores, then and the banks are not willing to give you rates higher than this, then treasury bill makes sense. Because if I'll give you an example, like treasury bills, there are something called CDs of banks. These are certificates of deposit issued by banks. The difference between a fixed deposit and a treasury bill is the following, the very crucial difference. If you want money after 20 days, Government of India will not give you money after 20 days. Treasury bill is issued by Government of India. Okay, money is taken by government. But he puts a deposit with State Bank. After 20 days, he needs money. He goes to State Bank. Bank manager will say, "Acha bhai,
I can see for
it's called premature
premature withdrawal.
This happened with IIT Delhi when I was a trader with these issues. This can be bought and sold. You can sell the treasury, but you cannot ask for premature repayment of the treasury bill. When you sell the treasury bill, उस दिन का प्राइस हो सकता है ऊपर है, हो सकता है नीचे. आपने 98 पे खरीदा और let's say 1 week later it is there and you bought it for 98, whatever, 98 for 91 days and मुझे 10 दिन के बाद पैसा चाहिए. On that day, if it is 97, I lose. It is possible 99, I get.
And so there is a provision to have only current account for government department.
What's the minute? Ladies first. ठीक है.
There is a provision of only having current accounts with the bank for government department. Then we can't even go for saving accounts for our.
No, saving account only individuals and educational
So
institutions.
then how is it possible to get interest from there? Because
Fixed deposit account.
FD करके ये गवर्नमेंट में इंटरेस्ट क्या
not
होता है?
possible in government.
गवर्नमेंट पर के इंटरेस्ट क्या होगा पता
नहीं नहीं, आपको डीपी गाइडलाइंस देखना होगा.
नहीं उसमें फिर इनकम टैक्स कैसे भरोगे? गवर्नमेंट इनकम टैक्स कैसे भरेगी?
ऐसा है ना, पब्लिक सेक्टर भी इनकम टैक्स देता है.
जी पब्लिक
गवर्नमेंट के लोग हैं ना.
ठीक, गवर्नमेंट के हैं तो बी वेरी केयरफुल बिकॉज बाय एंड लार्ज यू कैनॉट इन्वेस्ट.
इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना है, सिंपल है.
If it is a board like Oil India Development Board is to invest, you have to see your structure. If you are a department of Government of India, my straight away answer is झंझट में मत पड़िए, otherwise you have to read, you have to get your minister's approval. Because just one, अगर आपके पास पैसा पड़ा है, if I am the higher officer, I will say, why did you ask for this?
Justification.
We say budget जैसा होता है वही. Yes, sir.
Why do individuals do not invest in fixed when the interest rate is 8%?
The flexibility which fixed deposits offer is not offered by me, number one. And number two, the banks also adjust such that, the rates here also adjust according to bank rates, so bank rates adjust to that. It's a free market now. So, पहले ज़माने में RBI used to fix the rates and that led to a lot of problems.